So this is some kind of a lasiopod sea cucumber, maybe in the Elpidiidae. The edge on the left side is where the head is located, and it's got its feeding tentacles, and you can see some of the sediment that it's ingesting. It will devour the goo that's sort of rested or floated down on a lot of the sediment, and it swallows it. It goes into the intestine, which you can see very conveniently through its transparent body wall. These then can essentially cycle the sediment through their body, and they deposit sort of the clean sediment cast afterwards out of the end, so sort of like an earthworm. But these are important for bottom ecosystems in the deep because they help cycle nutrients and other items, as well as clean the sediment up for different kinds of animals that live in the substrate. Nothing makes Wednesday better than a 10 centimeter long holothurian.
I can't think of anything.